we have to make the same predictions that we made using this formula for every observation on the validation data so that we get a performance measure. But fortunately for us, we have the predict function in R that does this formula on the background for us and gets us a prediction, a propensity prediction. So we can use, and let's call it prediction, and we can use the predict function of our model, which we called log.reg, on the new data equal to churn underscore valid. That's our validation data set. And the one thing that we have to change that we didn't do it before was use the type of prediction to be a response. That would ensure that we would get a prediction in the form of a propensity. All right, so that prediction, so let's take a look at a few observations. And we can see that the first propensities for the first few observations are given there. Let's print the validation data. Let's print the first few observations. So we have somebody with a credit score of 530, being a male, and the tenure being 8. Remember, these are the three variables that we're using in our model. And the propensity were computed just as this, using this formula, to get the propensity of 18%. And we can verify that by using y hat is equal to just the formulas we did before. So let's redo what we did a few minutes ago. We're going to change this 700 by 530. This is a male, so we leave it as 1. And then the tenure is going to be 8. And we can calculate again the prediction, and we should get exactly the same propensity that we get using the prediction function. All right, so now we know exactly how to get those predictions, and we have predicted our whole validation data set. We have to know if these predictions are doing good by taking a look at if the customer really exited. So we wouldn't expect the customers who have a high likelihood to actually churn from the bank to actually have exited. So that's one way to check if our model is doing well, and that's the next part.